All right, so for example 2, this time we're converting metric units of capacity. So things like liters, right? In the customary unit, we would think of gallons and cups, but in metric units, capacity is basically liters, right? So we have this Raji.
Raji poured 150 liters of water into an aquarium. How much more water does Raji need to fill the aquarium?
Notice the picture gives us some more details. The total aquarium holds 2.2 hectoliters of total capacity, right? So here's our King Henry, right? If we start here, King Henry died unexpectedly. They don't have the unit here, drinking chocolate milk, all right? So we have, uh, if we had the same unit, we could just do 2.2 hectoliters and then minus the 150 or however many hectoliters that is, and we would know how much more he needs, right? Because the whole capacity minus what he poured in would be the remainder, right? So here's one way, and we'll go through the ways the book does it, and then I'll do it the way that I would do it. They start with the equivalent rate of 1 hectoliter is 100 liters, right? Hectoliters here, liters is here. So there's 1 jump, 2 jump, okay? So they're going to be multiplying it by 100. So 220 liters minus, so they changed hectoliters to liters. So they decided there are 220 liters minus 150 liters that he poured in gives him 70 liters. Right? He needs 70 more liters. Here's another way. This is the dimensional analysis where they looked for a conversion rate that had hectoliters at the bottom and liters at the top, right? So they said hectoliters and liters. There you go. There's my conversion. Put the hectoliters at the bottom so that they cancel out, and 100 liters at the top. Multiply through. Same question, same answer, right? And then the way I would choose to have done it would be to convert 150 liters is how many hectoliters, right? So again, we're going from liters in the way I'm doing it, from liters to hectoliters. So multiplying by 10, multiplying by 100. Dividing by, sorry, I'm dividing by 100, so 1.5. All right. So doing it this way, let's see, the 150. This is how much he poured in, and the capacity is 2.2. So 2.2 hectoliters. That's a 2. Minus what he poured in as converted in hectoliters gives us, borrow and regroup, 0.7 hectoliters. All right. So either way, we get, one is in liters, the other is in hectoliters. 70 liters is equal to 0.7 hectoliters. So any way that you choose to do it, and the questions that go with number 2 are 10, 11, 15, 16, 17, and 23. Again, I'll write them here. Good luck. All right, so here's the questions that go with example 2. Do each one. If you're unsure, make sure you ask, get them checked. And remember, we have peer tutors available if you're interested.